Welcome back. So I'm in the process of changing the blades on the bandsaw, and I have some ripping to do. And this is 12 mil wide blade. Now the purpose of this video is, or should I say, the inspiration for making this video is, I've been following woodworking community a lot on YouTube, and the trend that keeps growing, I guess, is to throw the blades on the concrete floor to unfold them and run away the other way. Now, as you probably know, I'm from the woodworking background, and if an old master saw me do that with a big industrial blade that we use on a big industrial bandsaws, I would get a smack with a 2x4 at my back, and no, it's not fun. Usually with those big bandsaw blades, we unfolded by two of us. But everything up to 24 inches you can do it by yourself. Now, I'm not wearing gloves. I don't like wearing gloves unless I'm really cold. Now, to be honest, it's 4 degrees in my shop. Now, you can wear gloves for this, especially in the left hand if you want to, but you'll see it's not nothing major will happen, and if you just follow the simple procedure. So to fold it, I will start to the teeth away from me, grab the top third of the blade, no matter what the size is. You just grab the top one and you twist in your hand. You'll get a small loop like so. Once you get it, it will get to its place by its own. You can shake it a bit and that's it. Now to unfold it, which is I guess the biggest fear on woodworking, please, for the love of God, don't throw it on the floor. Like I said, that would be if I did something like that when I learned the trade. Yeah, you don't want the wrath of the old masters. To unfold it, you open it slightly. Now you'll see this part here wants to unfold it by itself. It starts to lift up. So you grab by this intersection here, you open it up, and as you stretching it out, it will go to its place in your hand, and that's it. So there's nothing happening here that's flying around or anything like that, so it's very safe, and I don't have any bruising. Or so the other thing that we learn in a trade in the first year actually is the same principle applies for this bandsaw blade. You don't drag your hand across the wood, especially in the long grain. So the woods like wenge, pine, oak can splinter a lot, and so you don't want to, like rub them. So the same thing applies with the bandsaw blades. So once you grab it, you don't go around it, sliding and everything. So I'll show you again. So the upper third of it. Now this can be obviously applied to maybe 24-inch bandsaw blade, but this is 14 inch. The bigger they are, obviously there are other procedures you can do, but for the bandsaw blades or bandsaws that are like 14 inch up to 24, you can do stuff like this, and this is what most of us used, even the industrial shops. So grab the upper third, teeth are away from me, you roll it and twist it, and you get this coil, small coil, which tries to get its place, and they fold. Now to unfold it, you just grab like so, lightly, and you open it up. Now this part wants to spring out like this. You just grab it the other way around this intersection, and this will twist in your hand. Now you won't get any cuts or anything like that. So you just unfold it and it will just rotate, should I say it like that, and that's it. Nothing happened to my hand, everything is okay, and I didn't damage the teeth by throwing them around the shop to unfold. So hope you like this.